is Dennis, who's going to give us a bit of background on this beautiful 1931 AEC Regent. Dennis.
Good afternoon again and welcome back to our museum here in Wythall Transport Museum. We're at this fantastic 1931 AEC Regent, a Birmingham corporation, operated by the corporation. This is the story of this particular bus on our storyboard. This is how we first of all came upon it, and it used to be a gentleman's home in Herefordshire. And you'll see that he's got the chimney coming out there, which was either for his cooking or for his heater, I don't know. But then the rest of the storyboard shows you its journey to what it is now. It's a beautiful bus, it's probably the most beautiful bus in the museum, and we're all very, very proud of it. So thanks for watching, enjoy.
Thank you very much, Dennis. Thank you for the background, and you're right, it is the most beautiful bus on the museum. This is worth the entrance fee alone. Thank you. So here we have this 1931 AEC Regent. Beautifully restored. Show you underneath. Let's get a little peek at the engine with a bit of light. There we go. It's the wheels. Operator's details. Operator's logo. I think it cost about 500,000 to restore this. It's the back end. Beautiful gleaming paintwork. Real gorgeous bus. We're not allowed on board. Just going to push the camera around just to show you. There we go. Stunning restoration. Open platform. That's the back end. OV4486. Right, so here we have a 1931 fully restored AEC Regent. You may remember my good friend Dennis from our last video. Here he is. Dennis.
Good afternoon to all of your viewers. Welcome back to the museum. We're hoping you're having a nice day with us.
A wonderful time as always, with our thanks to the wonderful kind staff.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dennis, and we're just going to show you this beautiful restoration 1931 AEC Regent. It's got to be the most beautiful bus on site. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can visit this museum, this is definitely worth seeing. Have a look at that. A step back in time. Absolutely beautiful. There's your luggage rack. Look at that decor. Very periodic. Look at those beautiful leather handles. Those bulbs in the background. This is worth coming for just this particular vehicle. Stunningly beautiful. There's your AEC logo there. The best seat behind the cabin is over here. There's the driver's cabin there. There you go, and then we'll turn round. Look at that beautiful interior. Beautiful legroom. Really is, you have to see this. This is just fantastic. The body was made by Metro Camel Carriage. Seats 49 passengers, 21 inside and 28 outside. Okay, let's take you to the upper level. Look at that wooden floor. That beautiful detail on the back. The finish is just exquisite. Look at that mirror. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful restoration. Look at that floor. Chrome handrail. Now we're on the upper deck. It's a bit unusual. The stairs come up there, but then you have a seating arrangement. Quite narrow, but very unusual, very nicely done. There's your emergency exit. Rear seat. This has to be my favourite bus. We're very grateful to the kind museum staff who've allowed us access. Look at that. Sorry about the glare on the screen. We'll try and do something about that. Here we go. Let's turn you around. Okay, that's better. There's those lovely light bulbs. It's got opening window there. There's one there. But then there's none further down. There's none at the front. But there's some vents at the top. Bus number 486. Spitting strictly prohibited. Who would want to spit on a beautiful bus like this? Use tickets. Back down the stairs. Back out there, and that's your lower deck again. And back out. Hope that was useful. Right, so there's a little bit more background on this particular vehicle, which Dennis is going to tell us about.
Yes, it's an experience that I actually went through whilst a very early volunteer with the museum. A youngish couple from Wales came on one of our open days and asked me for a certain bus. Of course, being relatively new to the museum, I didn't know what the bus was, but upon making inquiries of one or two of the other volunteers and the trustees, it turned out to be our AEC Regent from Birmingham Corporation from 1931. And I asked why it was of particular importance, and they said that they were descendants of the gentleman who used to live in the bus, wow. Which we've seen in the early video, and they were very, very emotional when they actually saw what it was now. So that's an addendum to the story for the museum. So I hope you've enjoyed listening to that. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dennis, for that insight.